In this video, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for aspiring music producers. You will never be able to make beats until this video. Sounds dramatic, right? Well, it's true. Trust me. By the end of this video, you'll have enough tools and mindset to start executing your beats like a pro. Let's get started. Let's talk about mindset. A lot of people get discouraged when they sit down to make beats because they think they need expensive gears or years of experience. This is where it all goes wrong. I'll let you in on a secret. The most important tool when it comes to making beats is your mind. Creativity is limitless. You have to believe you can make amazing beats. Alright, let's move on to the essentials. You don't need a $10,000 studio to make amazing beats. Here are the basic tools you'll need. First, you need a computer. It can be any brand or model, as long as it runs your music software. A DAW is crucial. There are free options like GarageBand for Mac or Cakewalk for PC. There's also FL Studio and Ableton Live, which are great choices if you decide to invest. Good headphones are essential. You need to hear every detail in your beats. Optional but super helpful, a MIDI keyboard lets you play notes and make your music more dynamic. Now let's talk about rhythm. Understanding rhythm is key to making great beats. It's not about throwing some sounds around and hoping they fit. You need to know about timing, tempo, and groove. For instance, try this exercise. Create a 4-count beat. Use a kick on the first and third, a snare on the second and fourth. Once you get comfortable, start layering with hi-hats and percussion. Experiment with different patterns and see what feels good. Moving on to sound selection. The sounds you choose will significantly impact your beat's vibe. It's all about finding your unique sound. Don't just settle for the first drum kit you find. Explore sample packs and even consider using sounds from nature or environments you love. Now let's put it all together. Grab a DAW and start a project. Begin with a drum pattern, then layer with a bass, synth, and any additional elements. Don't overthink it. Allow yourself to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn. Also remember to save your work and periodically check your mix for balance. Lastly, practice makes perfect. You won't get where you want to be without committing to the craft. Make time to create and you'll see improvement in no time. If you follow these steps and keep pushing your creative boundaries, you'll be making beats in no time. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment below with any questions or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next